Are you ready to take your LEGO building experience to a whole new level? Well, get ready because we've got something truly special for you. Introducing the BRIKSMAX LED Lighting Kit for LEGO-75325, the Mandalorian's N-1 Starfighter. Get ready to see your LEGO masterpiece shine like never before. With this innovative design, you can now bring your LEGO the Mandalorian's N-1 Starfighter from the dark into the bright, making it come to life in ways you've never imagined. Our brilliant craftsmen have carefully designed this lighting kit to enhance your LEGO model. We use safe and reliable materials to ensure your model's display effect is absolutely perfect. It's an absolute must-have for dedicated model collectors who crave even more detail in their sets. And the best part, installing these lights is an absolute breeze. With our step-by-step instructions, you'll find an easier way to enjoy the delightful DIY process and give your favorite building kit a stunning upgrade. Here at BRIKSMAX, we're not just about providing incredible products, we're committed to excellent customer service. If you ever run into any difficulties with your product, just send us an email, and we'll be there to help you solve any problem in no time. Now, it's important to note that this kit includes the LED lights only. The LEGO sets shown in the images and videos are not included, but that's where your creativity comes in. Imagine the excitement on your child's face when they see their LEGO Star Wars model light up like the real thing. This LED lighting kit is the perfect gift for kids and children of all ages who are passionate about LEGO and Star Wars. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your LEGO building experience. So click the link below to get your very own BRIKSMAX LED lighting kit for LEGO-75325, the Mandalorian's N-1 Starfighter today. Get ready to see your LEGO creations in a whole new light with BRIKSMAX. Shine on, builders!